The first official Mustang mod is here. Right here. It's not heavy at all. Big box, but it's not heavy at all. Let me see. Oh man. What could it be knocking at my door? Some people may know what it is already. Some may not. Okay. I'll use that. Don't mind me being in my bathroom either. It is what it is. Ooh. That's right, I got them headlights. Ooh, these are nice. And I would love to find out if they go in well, but this is what I'm looking at right now. So I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow anyway. So it's a brand new day. Forgot to film. We already started. Got the bumper off. I'm gonna let you see what I did. So didn't need to take the wheels off, jack it up, nothing. It's a couple of bolts and stuff. Left. There's 2 bolts here. And on the other side, these should come right out. Disconnected the, oh no, we didn't disconnect these yet on this side. All you do is twist and turn, and these come right out. The bulbs. It's another one I gotta get in there. You didn't need to take fender liner off, none. Pretty simple. Just need to take the bolt off here, here. On that side too. Then it was probably one right here, here, and like 3 on the bottom. That was it. Everything is good, right? Yeah. I screwed that one. Headlight. Alright, you can see that. Go ahead and do what you got. Headlight number 1 off. Just unscrewed this here and that there. And it's out. There was a light bulb on here. You gotta take that out because these plug right into the factory lights. These are switched around, so it's gonna be a little weird looking at first. In fact, let me put these ones in first. We just put them in first just to test them out, make sure they work. Keeping the plastic on so they don't scratch. That's good. Alright, that's why we keep the plastic on. See how that's good? Alright. Oh, they work. Now look at that. Alright, now we just gotta put them in, bolt them on, do the other side, and we're done. It's in. It's officially in. Old, new. So didn't show it, but put that bolt back in. It's not on this side because we didn't do that side. We just took that one out. And then, like I was saying, the 2 on the bottom there and there, they come out on the other side when you're taking out the stock ones. Go back in when you're putting these ones back on. They plug right in. Don't need no extra bulbs or anything. No extra bulbs, no extra cutting the wires, nothing. They just go right in. So currently I got everything on. Everything is bolted up pretty much. I'm just on my way to Pet Boys to get some LED turn signals because I figure it'll look a little better. So got me some new LED bulbs and a couple of new bolts because the old ones were rusty. Finished result, these ones gonna look crazy at night. As I said earlier, they're gonna look crazy at night. Let's see how they look at night. Let's see how they look. Alright, let's see how they look. And they're not even on. They still look crazy. They still look crazy regardless. Oh, my thing got messed up. What's going on? Slide that over, slide that over. There we go, there we go. Playing with their damn kids. They damn kids. So this is what we are working with now. A little bit bright, a little bit harder to see. See if we come down low. Y'all see them easier. Or maybe up high. Oh no, they're kind of hard to see. Oh, ooh. Ooh. Them things nice. Go on, hit that turn signal over there, girl. Hit that there turn signal. Ooh! Ooh! Just them headlights. They look a little hard to see on the camera. The camera's not doing them justice. They look way better. You can only really see it like when I come down to this level, you know. These are the S550 headlights. I didn't have to take off the wheel. I didn't have to jack the car up. All you gotta do is take off the screws on the bumper, on like the bumper pillar or whatever you want to call it. Take off 2 screws right there, 2 bolts, like 4 bolts there, and like a couple bolts on the bottom. That's it. Just pop them out. Then you take the headlights out, change the assembly up, take the bulbs off because there's bulbs built in here. And you're good to go. And I switched out the LEDs right here. I changed those to LED. I probably didn't explain it too well as I was doing it because I was just trying to do it and get it done. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share with your friends. Hit that bell notification. Tune in for more. Have a nice day. New outro coming soon.